it's Lori. Welcome to my studio. I'm going to be doing a swipe today, and I'm going to modify it a bit. We'll see what happens as I go along. What I'm working with today is I've got my Valspar for my base paint. I did mix a little bit of GAC 800 in it, and I've put it in this squirt bottle just so it's easier to handle. The colors, I have Prism Pour, Neptune's Gaze, Prism Pour, Violet Rose, Arteza Pearl Tangerine Orange, and I've got some little sample bottles here of Golden Ultramarine Blue in the high flow acrylics, Golden Teal in the high flow acrylics, that's fluid acrylics, a little bit different of a texture starting out. My cell activators, I'm going to use this gold from Amsterdam. This is deep gold and oxide black. I've mixed all of my colors here with the vivid poly pour from ColourArt, and the cell activators I've got with American Floetrol.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I'm not falling, I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going life. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. Back a year ago.
Well, the cells didn't show up, but I probably didn't give them a chance. I didn't slow down enough really this time to let them develop, but you know what? I like this. The shimmer is beautiful. And that gold, when it shines too, it's just going to add just enough, I think. Yeah. I'm pretty pleased. Let me know what you think. like and subscribe if you like what you see. I really appreciate it. Take care of yourselves. We'll see you next time. Bye.